students, in today's video lecture we are going to learn about the types of debentures. As in screen you are going to see there are the four types of debenture. Number 1 is on the basis of security, number 2 is on the basis of transfer, number 3 is on the basis of repayment, and number 4 is on the basis of conversion. Now these four types again has been divided into two parts. Like first we are going to study about on the basis of security. Now security is divided into two parts, secured debentures and unsecured debentures. So number 1, secured debentures. Secured debentures are those which are secured by some charge on the company assets. The debenture holders are provided a security. It may be fixed or a floating charges. Here fixed means particular asset is mortgage. Floating means all the assets of the companies are mortgaged. The debentures are secured through trust deed. Number 2 is unsecured debentures. These are the debentures, they have no security. The issue of such type of unsecured debenture is prohibited by the Companies Act 2013. Number 2 is on the basis of transfer. Now transfer is again divided into two parts, registered debentures and unregistered debentures. Now registered debentures in which the name of owner is entered in the register of debenture holder. All the details such as name, address of the holder, number of debenture held by him. The transfer form has to be issued for selling such debentures, that is the instrument of transfer has to be used for transfer of debentures. In this only we are going to see bearer debentures. Bearer debentures are those which can be transferred by mere hand delivery. Such debenture holder name is not entered in the register of debenture holder. Interest can be received by the coupons attached to the debenture certificate. This bearer debentures we can also give the name of unregistered debentures. Next one is on the basis of repayment. Repayment in this redeemable debentures and irredeemable debentures. Now redeemable debentures are those which are redeemed. Redeem means paid back after certain period. The period on which debentures are redeemed is mentioned at the time of issue. The interest is paid until the redemption. After that the principal amount is paid back. The provision of repayment is again mentioned in the trust deed. Now irredeemable debentures. These debentures are not redeemed as long as the company is a going concern. At the time of winding up the debenture holder, total due is paid back. Next one is on the basis of conversion. Conversion means they can be converted into equity shares. In this, convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures. Convertible debentures are those which are converted into equity shares after certain period. The period of conversion is decided at the time of issue of debenture. After the conversion, the creditor will become the member of the company and enjoy all the shareholders' right. But these debentures are converted into equity share, cannot be reconverted into debentures. And the last one is non-convertible debentures. These are those debentures which are not converted into shares. These debentures remain as debenture only for all the period. These debentures suffer from disadvantage that there is no appreciation value. So now you have to do this assignment work. You have to write the types of debentures. Thank you.